Ok, chicos, buenos días. Hoy vamos a tener mucho que hacer. We have lots to do. So we're going to try something a little bit different here. I'm going to do a live lesson. Obviously, I'm by myself in my classroom right now. But instead of a screencast, we're going to try this, see if it works. So this is for, today is actually Wednesday, but we're going to do it for tomorrow. So here we go, stick with me. So, eso es su bell ringer, bien? So, ¿qué es la fecha? Recuerden, fecha is date. ¿Qué es la fecha? You're going to answer with hoy es, right? So, fecha, hoy es el 3 de septiembre. So, you're going to write, hoy es el 3 de septiembre. La segunda pregunta, your second question on the other side of your bell ringer paper, if you have that, says día, which is day. So you're going to write hoy es el jueves. Because jueves is Thursday. Remember, we didn't quite learn our days of the weeks yet, but we're going to. It's coming to you. We have a little song that we're going to sing if you haven't done that yet. And we'll learn the months and all that good stuff. So again, just stick with me through the bell ringers. We are getting there, I promise. If not by Friday, definitely next week. So your practice section says, translate the following. My name is Juan. My name is Juan. So, how do you say my name is? Me llamo Juan. Look at that. You can do a whole sentence in Spanish all by yourself. Número dos, do you say, I feel good today? So how you say, how you feeling where you are is when you use the verb estar. Yo estoy. And como se say good? Bien. Estoy bien. Muy bien. Y la palabra, your word of the day is zapatos. Zapatos is shoes. Shoes. Zapatos. It's a great word to know in Spanish. Me gustan tus zapatos. ¿Preguntas, problemas? No? Okay. Adios, bell ringer. Hola, chiste del día, joke of the day. So your joke of the day today says, if you have 10 apples in one hand and 14 oranges in the other, what do you have? Really big hands. El objetivo para hoy, your objective for today, this is listed in your lesson overview on Schoology. It says, usar las frases interpersonales en español. Interpersonal phrases. So that's like, hello, how are you? It's a conversation phrases. We're going to work on those for the next couple of days. Eso es el plan para hoy. Vamos a escribir las palabras. We're going to practice more spelling words. You guys did spelling on Schoology yesterday. We didn't quite get there yet, so we're doing them in class today. Y vamos a aprender las frases interpersonales, those new phrases. Vamos a hacer un walk and talk activity. You'll see on Schoology an activity called a walk and talk. You're not in class with us, so you can't do it here in class, but you can certainly teach your family, your friends, all that Spanish, all those Spanish phrases. It's great practice for you. There's nothing that you have to turn in for that, but it's just a really good practice activity. And then also hacer la tarea. We know tarea is homework. So tonight you will have homework, so look for that. Okay, chicos, las introducciones. What do you think introduction is? It's an introduction, right? It's a cognate. Remember, cognates are words that look like an English word in Spanish. So introducción looks like introduction, right? So that's a cognate. Okay, repite por favor. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches. So again, we have good morning, good afternoon, good night. Notice here that buenos is the only one that ends in os instead of as. So buenos días, because no one wants to get up in the morning. Repite por favor. Adiós. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Hasta mañana. Hasta mañana. Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. They always say my pleasure. Chick-fil-A. Mucho gusto is also my pleasure. Repite por favor. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo. Se llama. Repite por favor. Okay. These mean the same thing. So there's two different ways to say, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? There's two different ways. We know como estás, right? We've been practicing that. Como estás? How are you? I feel estoy, and then you say bien or mal. Como te sientes is another way to ask someone how they are feeling, okay? So just be aware of that. You need to make sure you know that phrase. So repite por favor para mí, ¿cómo te sientes? Me siento. So I feel good. You're going to answer the same with the same adjectives here. Bien, mal, así. Okay, repite por favor, bien. Más o menos. You could also use así, right? We did así. Repite por favor, mal. Okay, super importante. A big important question here. Where are you from? Where are you from? Repite por favor, ¿de dónde eres? And you're going to answer with soy de York, soy de Pennsylvania, soy de Texas. No sé. So, ¿de dónde eres? Where are you from? Ok, vamos a ver. Eso es una actividad viejo. Okay, so this is just some introductory phrases. We're going to continue working with these in Spanish 1. Make sure you move through Schoology. We're going to have numbers coming up. Continue practicing your alphabet, and we'll have a great rest of your week. Adios.